Meaning of duct tape.
Duct tape.
Duct tape.
Duct tape.
Duct tape. Duct tape is a strong and adhesive tape that is commonly used for various purposes such as sealing, binding, and holding things together. It is made of a polyethylene-coated cloth with a rubber-based adhesive that makes it waterproof and long-lasting. The term duct refers to its original use in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning ductwork. However, it has become a versatile tool for home repairs, crafting, and even medical applications. The result of using duct tape is a firm and secure hold that can withstand a wide range of conditions and pressures.